Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making a simple and easy mutton karahi. Okay, let's chop some ingredients. First we'll chop some fresh coriander leaves, some ginger gingembre strips, and some chilies also for garnishing. Now we'll grate some more ginger and garlic. Next, let's cook the mutton first. In a large non-stick pan, we'll put the mutton pieces and let cook. We won't add any oil. We'll add some salt and the grated garlic only. Pour some water, stir well and let cook on medium flame until tender, around 40 to 45 minutes. Or you can cook it in pressure cooker to save more time. After that, we'll remove the mutton and keep aside. Next, in the same pan, pour around 1/4 cup of oil and we'll add some blended onion paste. Stir and let saute. Now we'll add some coriander powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and some salt to taste. Give a good mix. Add the grated ginger and let saute for 2 minutes. Then we'll add 3/4 cup of yogurt. Stir well, then we'll add some blended tomato paste. Mix well. Cover and let cook for 10 minutes until the sauce releases the oil. Now we'll squeeze half a lemon and add the chopped coriander leaves. Mix, then add the cooked mutton. Stir well and let cook for 5 more minutes. Garnish with some dried fenugreek leaves, and that's it, we are done. This is a simple recipe of mutton karahi that we can prepare so easily and can be accompanied with naan. For the final touch, we'll add the julienne cut ginger and the chopped chilies. Hope you have enjoyed my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.